It's lights out, we're racing in MotoGP here in Australia. It's a superb start from second place on the grid by sprint winner Marco Bezzecchi. Quattro, like yesterday, is going the wrong way. Acosta is using that lightning speed of the KTM on the run down into the Doon corner.
It has been a hot minute today. The sun is out and we are heading into Phillip Island. There is an event on that we are heading to this weekend. We're going to be over there for 4 days. The Grand Prix is on. It's not the Formula 1 Grand Prix. We're going to the MotoGP. Now, I do not follow the MotoGP at all. So we will see how it is. We're currently on our way into Melbourne. It is 10:32 in the morning. So by the time we get to Melbourne, it will be lunchtime. We're going to go and hit up Spanian's Kebabs. We'll meet my brother, Jaden and Cade in the city. We'll go to Spanian's Kebabs and then we'll continue on through to Wonthaggi. Got about another hour to go. We're just coming up to Balan, so enjoy this travel montage. Looks alright. I literally can't see the menu. Jaden's not here yet, so I'm actually just trying to look at the menu from where I'm sitting. Kebab, lettuce, tomato, red cabbage, meat sauce. Look who just arrived. I don't really have seating. Picked up a straggler. What's your name?
Ashton.
Hello, Ashton. Where are we going, Ashton?
How do I know?
What do you mean, how do you know? Where are we going?
MotoGP.
MotoGP. Alright, let's go.
I thought you meant where are we going now? I have no clue.
No, now we are off to Wonthaggi. Staying at Wonthaggi Park Lane Holiday Park, I think it is. Which is just a caravan park in Wonthaggi. We'll hit the road again, hey?
Pedal down and drive.
Crossed onto the island. Not even a queue. Let's get straight in there. We're here at Phillip Island. I forgot to film coming into Wonthaggi, but we are here now for the Sunday race day of MotoGP.
We can fly
What are you looking forward to the most?
Motorbikes going through.
Yeah, there's been a few of them.
Yeah.
Old mate come off already. He didn't walk it off, so he's off to the hospital.
I thought he was knocked out. He's not moving.
Yeah, no, he wasn't, was he? The wind at the moment still absolutely shit house.
Crazy.
Absolutely shit house for the wind. It's freezing.
Out of this burning fire, just take me anywhere. My savior, pedal down and drive. Drive. Pedal down and drive. Drive. Pedal down and drive. Just drive.
Aussie. Run, Ash! Run over, Ash! Did Ash get any?
Yeah, Ash got
Oh really? Oh, that's sick as. There was a crash and we got some pieces of the debris of the crash. That's pretty cool. So now we're obviously allowed on the track. We're going to head up to the start-finish line. So that's probably going to do it for this one. It's all pretty much the same sort of video, so sorry I couldn't show you more, but I'm going to head back to Albury now. And not Albury, Ballarat, that's where I'm from. Past all these guys and the fireys. We'll see you on the next one.